MCN would like you owners to join us for a celebration of 10 years of the R6 at Bruntingthorpe on Wednesday the 21st of October. Quote, XA0, we re-after owners of R6s in standard condition, or as close to standard as possible, and who would be available the day to have their bike in them featured in MCN. Quote, owners should be able to get to Bruntingthorpe, near Leicester, and back under their own steam. XA0, if they re-interested, please can they contact Alison Silcox.